All right, today we're going to talk about gear. I love good gear. When I talk about gear on my channel, and I do it occasionally, I'm going to narrow it down to maybe three things that I want to look at. And that's all I'm going to touch on, just three. And then I may occasionally look at a YouTube video or something. Maybe might want to share that with you, but I'm going to keep this as simple as I can. And I think the first thing I want to look at in terms of gear is cookout gear. And this thing is called a Tembo Tusk. Tembo. How do you pronounce that? Tembo Tusk. The Tembo Tusk Original Skottle Grill Cooking System Kit. Boy, that's a mouthful. Based on the South African braai pan or cowboy wok skillet style cooker. It all comes packed in one carry-on bag, and it's used propane gas to heat it up. But basically, it's just a big metal wok. But man, it looks like it would be fun to cook on. I first came across this while watching Adventures Out There, and we're going to take a clip off of one of their YouTube videos here in a minute showing them cooking on it. It's really fun. It looks like you can do all kinds of stuff on this thing. It's got adjustable legs so that you can stand up and cook on it, or you can sit in a chair and cook on it, or you can lower it even lower than that. And it comes with a carrying case, this carrying bag, heavy duty. Looks pretty cool. And here you can see either you can sit down in a short little squat and cook on it, or you can stand up and cook on it. And it's got these adjustable legs. It's pretty cool. So, in terms of something that I want to look at for the purchase of this thing, you can get them on Amazon. It comes along with this grill kit here, this cooking system, and little propane tank, and it's $495 is the one that I saw, so it's not cheap. $495. There. The Tembo Tusk Original Skottle Grill. So it's not cheap at all. So you got the flame underneath, and you've got this big flat wok. He's grilling chicken. Looks like putting together a stir fry. Man, that looks like that would be fun. That's some good stuff right there. So, first thing I wanted to look at with you guys was this grill. I love thinking about cooking outside on an open flame when I get a choice. Well, there's a couple of other things I wanted to look at. Two other pieces of gear that I think are going to be essential. And one is this ICECO freezer. I mean, look at these top picks for these freezers here. You've got the ultralight. You've got these that are a fridge on one side and a freezer on the other. So let's pick one here. You can see the prices. This looks like a cool one. I like this one here. Let's take a closer look at that one. $959. Man, I think that would work. Let's see. Boy, it'll hold a lot of Coke cans. 5-year warranty. Lots of insulation. I think this would be a good backup freezer if you've got one built in the van already. This would be a good backup, or if it could be instead of having one built in, just because this is $1,000, just get this ICECO freezer. So you can put in your chicken or your meat, freeze it in this thing, and then cook it on your wok. All right, this was the other thing I wanted to look at, and this is essential. Got to have a bug screen. There's no way of getting around it. And here's a bug screen. I'm going to go over here and look for the Ford Transit, since I'm looking at a Ford Transit. These are the bug screens for the Ford Transit. Ford Transit side door screen, $400. And then the rear screen is $400. And it looks like the garage insect screen is $600. So that so it rolls up if you need to get into the garage. That'd be nice. And it's got it for all the roof heights. And then distance down to the bed platform. So, man, mosquitoes, are you kidding me? To get rid of the flies and the mosquitoes, I've been watching all these YouTubers today up in Alaska and how they're fighting the bugs and the mosquitoes up in Alaska. Evidently they're pretty bad up there. So, got to have the bug screen. Alright, so that's what I mean by sticking it to 3 items here. I'm not going to give you an entire 20-minute breakdown of 15 different types of gear. I'm just going to do this periodically, maybe once a week, go through and look at 2 or 3 items and get an overview of what might be good. We'll look at the prices. And so we're looking at a freezer, a bug screen, and then our wok. All right, that's enough already. Well, I guess that's about all I wanted to share today, and look a little bit at some gear. I think I may do this once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a week, maybe just do an episode, spin an update looking at some gear, because I do like all the fun toys that are available for us out there. Well, go out and have a good day. I guess that's going to wrap it up for today. I will see you tomorrow, so go out and have a good day. We'll see you later.